Hello everybody, ALG here, and this is my Puzzle Box version 2, and I hope you like my videos of my seeing monsters. Be making some more shortly. So, there was a 360 view, and so you think probably that there's something you slide out or something. But there's not. It's on the top. So all you have to do is slide that up. Oh, well, first I'll show you. So you can't do anything up here. In order to do something up here, you have to do this. That unlocks this little bar that can slide. And you have to do this one. Now you can slide these two. And voila! That's your little secret storage. And I'll show you that it's locked, that you can't lock that back into place. And I'll show you, see that little indent right there? When you push this in, it gets locked. So all you have to do is place that in, and you can't open it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Peace.